A 2.7 magnitude earthquake has hit the southern part of the Britain in the Cornwall. Cornwall is a peninsula, notoriously famous for its beautiful geology and being a part of an oceanic crust extension center, like what it was, for example, the Iceland. And this is the southernmost part. It happened off the coast of the Cornwall, south of the Penzance, which is famous, notoriously famous for its Ophiolite, the oceanic crust exposed at the surface of the earth. Part of the mantle of the earth is visible. When you think about Britain, you mostly think about Britain being like a biscuit dunked in the tea multiple times due to the ice ages, pushing it down and up into the water. But no, we have a history of being part of big continents, like what we were part of the Armorica and Avalonia, and we have part of the Armorica in the Cornwall attached to the main mass of the Britain. And through that volcanism which existed there, we have also remnants of the volcanism, which is the granite masses of Cornwall. Nowadays is a source of the radon gas, which is a radioactive gas. But at the surface, you can see pillow lavas on the beach when you go to the Lizard Point. And these are also a source of the geothermal activity. Britain was part of the big continent of the Pangea when it joined with the Eurasia and America and Africa. Then it separated 65 million years ago. It started, or a little bit before that even. And like what it is now in Iceland, we have been also splitted from the other parts of the Gondwana. We have earthquakes in the UK. Most of it is due to the mine collapses, mine adits collapsing. But this one was due to the actual tectonic forces which created the landmass in the Cornwall from an ophiolite, from the oceanic crust and the mantle crust of the earth visible at the surface. Big earthquakes around the world. We have a video about that. Watch that. Very interesting. We are not that much unlucky like many parts of the world that they have earthquakes. We are relatively in the quiet part of the world.